Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the ultimate UTV tire bonnet kit from SpeedStrap. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today I want to show you the ultimate UTV tire bonnet kit from SpeedStrap. This is a really cool tie-down solution for UTVs. There's a couple common issues that a lot of people face when they're securing their side-by-side. One, you might struggle to find a good location to route your tie-downs onto to get everything secure. But another common issue that a lot of people have seen is that once you have your vehicle tied down, if you're going down a bumpy road or even going around turns, you notice that when your suspension compresses, your straps will come loose. And then when your suspension rebounds, they go tight again. And unfortunately, what can happen when that does occur is that your vehicle can shift a little bit when your straps come loose. And we've all heard those horror stories of when a tie down will completely come off, and that is the last thing that you want to worry about. And that's what this tire bonnet kit will solve for you. And you can see how we have it installed right here. It goes over the front tire, and once you have everything tightened down, what's cool is that since you're not going anywhere to the frame or the bumper, you have everything tied down, but your suspension can still float freely, and you don't have to worry about your straps coming loose, because now you're taking the tire and you're sucking it down to the trailer, and that's where it's going to be anchored to. And yeah, you've got a little bit of squish with the tires, but not enough that you would ever have to worry about that allowing the straps to come loose. So it's simple to install. The first time we put these on, I don't know, maybe it took us 10 or 15 minutes, a little bit of a learning curve, but the second time you go do it, very simple to do. But you just drape this center strap right over the middle of the tire. You've got your other strap that goes to the front as well as to the back. It's a 1.5 inch strap, has a 1,300 pound workload rating, so very strong. And depending on the trailer setup that you have, if you already have good anchoring locations on your trailer, you'll be fine. You notice with us, we actually used E-track to give us good mounting locations for the front buckle as well as a ratchet in the back. But once you've got your locations, everything set up, then you just ratchet it down and you're good. Now, another cool feature I want to point out is you'll notice that on this center strap, there's actually 3 loops or 3 slots you have on here. And they say that these are designed to work anywhere from a 26 all the way up to a 36 inch tire. So you're going to use the slot that's going to work best for your tire size. On this XP Pro, we've got 32 inch tires, so we're actually using the bottom slot here on the outside. But on the inside, one thing that we noticed is that if we tried to use the bottom slot, we were actually compressing the brake line, and we don't want to do that. So what we did is we just unrouted the strap and ran it through the second slot on the inside. Now we have clearance from the brake line. We don't have to worry about that. So you just want to be mindful and just make sure that you're not going to be contacting something on the inside that you don't want to be. Now on the back, it's a little bit different. You're not going to have a tire bonnet for the back as well. Instead, what they do is they include a single strap, still has a nice high quality ratchet on there, and that actually routes through the rear wheel and through itself. And then you just snug that down. So you've got the tire bonnets in the front, and then you have the strap in the back that goes to the rear wheel. And once you've got everything, again, snugged down nice and secure, this thing is not moving. Your suspension can compress, can float freely, your straps aren't gonna come loose, your vehicle is gonna stay exactly where you tie it down. So if that is something that you've been in the market for, this is a great setup. Again, works great on flatbed trailers, works great on enclosed trailers. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered for you, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab your kit today, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders are over $75, ship free. If you like this product spotlight, we've got a lot more just like it, so make sure you get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.